Guys, this is my other cat. As you know, in my last YouTube video, like on 2024, I showed my oldest cat. This one is my little cat. We got her at January 17, and she's only maybe like 2 months, so stop meowing. Sorry about that. She's really hungry. I want to go get her some food. You just stay there and don't off the camera because this little buddy knows how to off the camera. Maybe I should tell you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. I'm gonna get her some food. And I'm also going to try get snacks. So I'm gonna see if it works.